Welcome to Welder 42nd week part 2. Welding procedures qualification. Purpose of surfacing metal buildup. Surfacing metal buildup is done to build up worn out parts whose dimensions have been reduced and make them as good as new and obtain the required properties. Application to repair worn out shafts, gear and other parts as shown in figure. Surfacing might be the only way to solve the problem since new parts may not be available any longer. Surfacing is done to modify a part surface so as to improve its performance. Weld beads running across the surface of a roller can improve its gripping or driving action as shown in figure. Causes of wear. There are 6 different factors that cause wear or affects the parts. Number 1. Abrasion is the grinding or scratching action of hard particles that cause wear. Number 2. Erosion is a wear caused by liquid or gases striking metal parts at the high speed. Number 3. Impact is a blow or series of blows that can cause the metal to deform, fracture or peel off in pieces. Number 4. Corrosion is a chemical or electrochemical attack on a surface. Number 5. Rust is caused by oxidation. Heat softens the metal, which reduces the metal's resistance to abrasion and corrosion. Method of surfacing / metal buildup padding. A plate of 10 mm mild steel about 150 mm square is used for padding. A series of parallel beads are laid side by side across the surface of the plate so as to slightly overlap one another. If the beads are laid side by side with no overlap, the slag becomes entrapped in the line where the beads meet, making it difficult to be removed and causing blow holes. After thoroughly cleaning and brushing all the slag and impurities from the layer, another layer is deposited on the top of this with the beads at right angles to those of the first layer. Identify the assembled jobs. Building up shafts. In the case of shafts worn out with small wear such as 1 mm, it is evident that if the shafts are built up and then turned down again, the thickness of the deposited metal remaining is very small and bearing surface will be practically on the line of fusion. Welding deposition. Deposit beads along the side parallel to the axis. Use a medium arc with stringer beads. Deposit the run as shown in figure 6 on the opposite sides 1, 2, 3 and 4 to equalize the stresses. Complete the job depositing symmetrically. Surfacing methods. Oxyacetylene method, shielded metal arc method, submerged arc method, MIG welding method, TIG welding method, plasma arc welding method. Here you can see in the figure. Thank you.